Ang mga whole life plans, mga traditional life insurance plans, ang gusto ko sa kanila, meron silang tatlong non-forfeiture options. First, may cash surrender value. So yung cash surrender value, should you decide to stop paying or withdrawin na yung plan, kung ano man yung nandun sa cash surrendered value, guaranteed na yun. Hindi yan nagpa-fluctuate, nakikita pa, tataas, hindi na rin liliit pa. Right? But usually, it's lower than what you paid for, especially sa first 20 years of the plan. The second non-forfeiture option is called reduced paid up. So meaning, kunyari hindi ka pa tapos magbayad pero hindi mo na kayang bayaran, let's say 20 years to pay yung kinuha mo pero naka 10 years ka lang, you can opt not to pay and not to pay the next premiums and then apply for the reduced paid up option. Ibig sabihin, magiging paid up na siya, fully paid na siya, pero reduce yung coverage mo. Kunyari, instead na 1 million yung coverage mo, magiging 300,000 na lang. The third non-forfeiture option of a whole life plan is extended term insurance. Ibig sabihin, again, with the same scenario, kung 20 years to pay yan, pero 10 years ka lang nakabayad, tapos hindi mo na kayang magbayad, ang gagawin niya is, dahil may cash surrender value, yung cash surrender value yung gagamitin to pay off for the cost of insurance sa mga susunod na year. So magiging same yung coverage mo, let's say 1 million pa rin, pero hindi siya aabot ng age 100. Ma-extend lang. Parang magiging term insurance lang siya until such time ubusin yung cash value mo of the charges dahil hindi ka nagbayad, di ba? So parang magkaka-loan kasi, mauutangin niya yung cash surrender value mo, yung cash value mo, and then may interest pa yon. Sometimes it's called automatic premium loan kasi automatic nga na maglo-loan siya.